Hello and welcome to Code Canvas. This channel is all about web development covering JavaScript, CSS3, HTML5, JavaScript, WordPress, and many more. If you are looking to learn, build, and grow your skills, you are in the right place. Let's get started. In today's video, we will break down the CSS properties inset-inline-start, and inset-inline-end with simple examples to make them easy to understand. So, these are logical properties that help with layout in a way that respects the writing direction of the content, like left to right or right to left languages. So insert inline CSS property sets both the start and end lining offsets like left and right in left to right direction. LTR means left to right direction. Similarly, insert inline start sets the offset from the starting position, starting direction, and insert inline end sets the offset from the end of the inline direction. So this insert inline start and insert inline end works in a similar way but for different directions, different writing directions. And insert inline CSS is a combination or shortened property of insert inline start and insert inline end. Okay, so let's get started with one simple example. In HTML, let's add one container. So I already have container here. So I'm adding one more container box. And with this container, I'm adding one box. Let me add some content. So this is simple box with one container and one box. Okay. So with this, let's add some CSS. So with this container box, so since this is container, let me add position as relative, width let me add 300 pixel, height 100, and background let me add some simple background. Okay, so this is box. Yes, right. So this is simple box. With this container box, let me add CSS for box position. So now I have relative. So here I need to add absolute position, top 10 pixel. Let's see how it looks. So this is the box. Let me add one background color here. So background color, let me give light green. Okay, so now this is a box, right? With this top, let me add some height, for the pixel, so you can have a look. Let me change it to 70 or 80. That's fine. It doesn't matter here. Right. So let me simply remove this height or let it be like 80 pixel or 70. That's fine. Okay. So point here is with this position absolute, if I want to move this box to somewhere in this place, then what I can do here with this top, I can add left property with 30 pixel for example, and let's see how it is working. So now as you can see, I have this box with left value as 30 pixel. If I change it to 20 or 40, it will move along, right? So let's say right now this language is from left to right. So this is English default language and direction is left to right, right? So here in this container, let me add direction to right to left. Okay, and now once you have this direction right to left, and what is that left? Okay, so now with this box I have left, and that is 30 pixel. But since this language is right to left, logically this box should start from here. Instead of left, it should be right. If you want to make this box 30 pixel from the starting point, it should be right. So this is not working, right? So instead of this, let me remove this. So by default it will be left to right. Okay. Okay, so this is default. Okay, so this is where this inset inline end and inset inline start property helps. So inset inline start, and let me give 30 pixel. Now it will move this box 30 pixel from the left direction, because we have direction as left to right. Let me change it to right to left and see the magic. So now when I have this RTL, that is right to left, this value inset inline start value will consider this box starting point from right, because we have direction right to left, right? So in some languages where you have direction from right to left, this inset inline start and inset inline end property really helps. Similarly, let me change it to left to right, and here with this start you can make it 20 pixel for example, and let's see how it works. So here if you see inset inline end is 20 pixel, we can make it 30 pixel, 13 pixel, 30 pixel even, right? So this is how this property works. Let me make it to right to left, and this content starts from right to left, and this property will work in opposite way, right? So inset inline sets both the start and end inline offset. So instead of this properties, what I can do here, I can write down one property, inset inline, and apply the property 30 pixel, 20 pixel, and see how it works. So let me make it left to right so you can understand. So box, now I have this inset inline 30 pixel, 20 pixel. So this is a shortened property for inset inline start or inset inline end, right? So first property is start, second property is for end. Okay, so similarly if you make it right to left, it will work in an opposite direction, because we have right to left here, and inside inline 30 pixel will start from right hand, and this is from left hand, right? Because we have direction right to left. Okay, so this was a really easy to understand example that is useful when you are working with multi languages, right? So question is, why should we use these logical properties? So these properties are logical properties because they automatically adapt the different writing directions, and it's great for multilingual support as well as responsive design. Okay, I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more similar videos. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding.